Ever wondered why customers buy from you only once and then disappear? It happens all the time. They find your product, make a purchase, and then poof, they are gone. It's not their fault, it's yours. Most Amazon sellers are so focused on getting first sale that they completely forget about what happens next. They assume customers will just come back on their own. But let me ask you this. Can you name the brand of the last item you bought on Amazon? That's the problem. Amazon is built for transaction, not for brand loyalty. Here is what's happening right now in your business. Customers are leaving faster than you can replace them. You are spending more and more on ads to get new buyers. Your profit are shrinking because you are stuck in the one-time sales trap. But there is a good news. This is fixable. What if you could turn one-time buyers into brand superfans? That's exactly what I am going to show you in this video. Today, we are diving into Amazon's brand analytics, a tool that gives you exact data you need to understand. And if you watch till the end, I'll show you one strategy that almost no seller are using, but can instantly increase customers' retention. So let's dive in. Most sellers have no idea that Amazon actually gives them powerful customer loyalty data for free. Introducing Amazon's Customer Loyalty Analytics. This hidden tool inside Brand Analytics breaks your customer down in 4 groups. Top tier customer. Well, these are your ride or die customers. They buy from you frequently and love your brand. But guess what? You are probably wasting money on them. I'll tell you the reason, but let's move to the second one, which is promising customers. These people have bought from you once or maybe twice, but they haven't committed yet. They need a little nudge to turn into repeat buyers. Number 3, at-risk customers. Well, this customer used to buy from you, but now they're slowing down or stopped completely. If you don't act first, they're gone for good. Number 4, hibernating customers. They are the ghost. They bought a long time ago and haven't returned. Anyway, most sellers treat all customers the same. They run generic discount hoping people will come back. That's a mistake. Instead, you need to customize your approach for each group. And if you do this right, you can boost your repeat purchase, outperform your competitors, increase your customer lifetime value. But before we talk about how to use this data to create loyal customers, let's address a big mistake that most sellers make. Well, let me ask you this. If you were running a coffee shop, would you hand out free coupon to customers who already buying from you every single day? Probably not, right? They are already hooked. So big mistake, wasting discount on your most loyal customers. Your top tier customers already loved your brand, so they are buying from you without needing any discount. So if you give them unnecessary coupons, you are not increasing your sales, you are just losing your profit. Instead, your focus should be on the customer who are slipping away. Your at-risk customers have already bought from you, they just haven't returned. Alright, so how to win back at-risk customers and drive more sales? Amazon Customer Loyalty Analytics can help you target at-risk buyers with the right promotions. Here is what you do. Step 1, identify at-risk customers. Use brand analytics to find customers who have stopped buying. Step number 2, offering a smart incentive. Instead of blasting a discount to everyone, create a personalized offer just for them. Step number 3, use Amazon's brand tailored promotions. These tools let you target a specific group with exclusive discounts. And here is the kicker. Amazon already suggests which at-risk customer might buy again with the right incentives. For example, they show you customers who added your product to their cart but never completed the purchase. If you are offering them a small discount, you are not just giving away money, you are recovering lost sales and reactivating valuable customers. Let's move to the next game-changing strategies. Well, imagine you just bought a new supplement on Amazon. It arrived quickly, worked great, and you loved it. But what happens next? For most brands, nothing. No follow-up, no engagement, no reason to buy again. And that's the problem. Most sellers treat first-time buyers like one-night stands instead of building long-term relationships. Most businesses spend 5x more to get a new customer than to keep an existing one. So if you are just focusing on acquiring new buyers but not retaining them, you are just throwing money away. Alright, so what are the solution here? Step 1. Use Amazon's brand analytics to target new buyers. Amazon's data gives you two powerful customer groups, which is potential new customers. These are the people who have never bought from you before. Brand followers, shoppers who followed your brand but haven't made a purchase yet. These groups are goldmine for growing your business. So you can follow some strategy like strategy number 1, convert potential new customers. These are the shoppers who are interested but haven't hit the buy now button. Here is how you win them over. The first one is brand tailored promotion. Amazon lets you target first time buyers with a special offer. Number 2, smart product bundling. Instead of just a discount, offer them a bundle with extra value. Number 3, retargeting with Amazon DSP. Amazon lets you run ads specifically for shoppers who viewed your product but didn't buy. These are high intent buyers. You just need to remind them why they were interested in the first place. Now let's talk about the brand followers. Strategy 2, convert brand followers into customers. Think of your Amazon brand followers like email subscriber, but even more valuable. They are already shown interest in your brand, but they haven't bought yet. Here is what you can do: exclusive promotion. Give them a follower only discount to make them feel like VIPs. Number 2, early access to new products. Launching a new item, let your follower be the first to try it. Number 3, Amazon post and store update. Amazon allow you to post updates just like on social media. Use these to keep your brand visible and build a deeper connection. Alright, so when you use brand analytics plus targeted promotion, you are not just getting new customers, you are building a loyal customer base that keeps coming back. Now, what if I told you there is an even bigger way to boost retention and multiply your sales? That's coming up next. Most sellers think brand loyalty happens by accident. Wrong. Loyalty isn't an accident, it's engineered. If you want to consistently turn one-time buyers into repeat customers, you need a system that attracts, nurtures, and retains customers without consistently spending on ads. I call it the loyalty formula. Here is how it works. Step 1. The VIP treatment. Making customers feel special. Want customer to stick around? Make them feel like they are part of something exclusive. Creating an exclusive community. A private, maybe Facebook group, Discord channel, or VIP email list can make customers feel valued. Early access and sneak peeks. Let your best customers see and buy new products before anyone else. Personalized discount and offers. Instead of blasting the same promo to everyone, send tailored offer based on past purchases. Step 2. The reorder and subscribe strategy. If your product is something that customers needs regularly, you have to be running subscription and paid campaign. Amazon makes this super easy with their subscribe and save program. So how to maximize this? Offer a slight discount for subscription. Even a 5 to 10% discount can get customer to commit long term. Use email and SMS reminders. If your product isn't eligible for subscribe and save, set up automated reorder reminders via email and SMS. Offer subscription bundle that include complementary products. Let's say you sell protein powders. Offer a bundle with shaker bottle or meal plan. These encourage larger purchase and create a better experience. Step number 3. Building a love brand that customer trust. At the end of the day, people don't stay loyal to products. They stay loyal to the brands they trust. Are you going to let customers slip away or start turning them into loyal buyers? Drop a comment below. What's your biggest challenge with keeping customers? Let's discuss. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.